vacation brain. So.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Just can you?
Yeah, I'll send it from. It is gonna come from me.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem. Thank you.
Be right with you, Miss Phillips.
I just need co-hosts.
Okay, I need a minute. Sorry. Come on with the live. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, we have Miss Phillips.
She just got here.
Okay, all right, Miss Phillips, we're going to place you in a breakout room so that you can meet with an attorney. Please unmute so I know you can hear me. Danielle Phillips, please unmute.
Okay, I just unmuted.
Okay, I'm going to send you to a break.
You.
So I'm going to send you to a breakout room so that you can meet with an attorney. There's a little bit of a wait. If you know you need to show them documents like registration, insurance, et cetera, you can go ahead and gather those items while you're waiting. Okay.
Okay.
You're going to room 22. Please hit join and listen for them to get to the room.
Okay.
Thank you. You should see that invitation. Ms. Phillips, you need to go to the breakout room. So are we ready on Townsend then?
Yes.
Okay, oh, let me give you co-host. Okay.
And then we will also do Greg on Rez, he made his payment. I just need to know if just need to be attended from a rally class.
Okay. Where's he? Very. Oh, in 17. Does he require an interpreter?
No.
Okay. Mr. Townsend, good morning. So we'll need to reprint that because that's
Good morning.
That was just a note. He was here yesterday and I just sent him.
Okay.
Just saying. She had an email.
Hold on, please. This is my. Okay. Mr. Perez, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Did you take the class that you were ordered to take, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you receive a certificate of some sort?
Yes, ma'am. I think they were supposed to send it over, but I do have it if they didn't.
Yep. Tell you what, if you can take a picture of it if you want or something and send it to me in the chat.
Okay.
I'll start with you.
They sent it in an email. Is there any way I can get it to you in that format?
Yep. If you will, Madam Clerk, could you chat him your email address, please? Okay, thank you. And then Mr. Townsend, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
All right, I heard you were here bright and early. Can you turn your camera on, please?
Okay, let me figure this out. Okay, you see me?
There we go. Good morning to you again.
Good morning.
All right. Calling ticket number Z809332, City versus Cedric Townsend. Mr. Townsend, state your name for the record, please.
Cedric Townsend.
All right, Mr. Townsend. I am happy to inform you that probation has sent a motion to discharge you from probation today, and I am granting that motion today. As of today, you are discharged from probation. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You are very welcome. Have a great day, sir.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Bye. Just let me know when you get that from Mr. Perez.
Yep. I just got it. I'm just copying and pasting. I wonder, can I put it?
And a delayed sentence.
I think I sent it in the chat.
Okay, thank
There should be a link on there.
Okay.
Email.
All right. What'd you say?
I have to sign into Google email to get it.
Oh, really? It didn't come to your regular email
I
address?
said to Gmail, yeah, and when I clicked on the link, it's a Google Mail.
Okay,
Oh,
let me try something else.
yeah. Okay. Yeah, he's probably just sharing it from his email.
Let me see if this works. Okay, I sent it over. I took a picture of it and I sent it in the chat. Let me know if that worked.
Yeah, it's work. Print it, but here it is.
Okay, you're reviewing it.
Great.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, calling ticket number U722-37125, City versus Ryan Perez. Mr. Perez, please state your name for the record.
Ryan Perez.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Perez, it would appear that you have fulfilled all of the requirements of your probation. It's now been 6 months. You are successfully discharged from probation as of today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a great day. Congratulations.
You too. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Crazy, but I.
Okay. All right, Mr. Perez, have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Taylor, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
Okay, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. All right. I'm going to place you in a breakout room to meet with an attorney. They'll be with you shortly. Please use the time that you're waiting to gather documents if you need to. If they go along with your case, like registration, insurance, etc.
Okay.
Please join the breakout room. Officer Chandler, good morning.
Hi, good morning. How are you this morning?
I'm great, thanks. Do you know which case you're here on?
Yes, I am here for Preston. What's his first name? First name is, I apologize for not being prepared. Preston, what is your first name?
Michael?
I'm sorry, say it again.
Says Michael?
Yes.
Michael Preston? Okay, all right. I'm gonna get you into breakout room number 1 to meet with city attorney.
All right, thank you so much.
Uh-huh.
It's a pre-trial. So.
Okay.
Good morning, Inspector King.
Morning.
What case are you here on?
Apprentice,
Oh, Michael Prentice?
I believe it is
No.
Glenn.
Oh, you're here. That's the one at 10 o'clock.
Yes.
Okay, I forgot about that.
If you would like to, you can put me in a breakout room if that's okay.
I sure will. I just want to put his name after your name so they don't know
Okay.
which case you're here for. When, we'll put inspector back in front of your name. Okay, I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 1.
Okay, that'll work. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, Attorney Paris.
Yes.
Okay, I just want to let you know what the offer was for your clients, but of course you can still speak to Ms. Horn when she gets here.
Mm-hmm.
For Maya Payment, the offer is a 12-month delayed sentence.
Okay.
For Mercedes Petway, it's a 3-month delayed sentence on the park closed after dark and the transporting marijuana. Dismissal of the open alcohol.
Okay. Thank you. I still need to talk to her for one of them, but so I'm gonna still hang out. But I appreciate that.
All righty.
Thank you.
All right. Attorney Dillard.
What's going on with this phone? All the volume settings at 0 and it's still making noise.
Attorney Dillard, could you unmute? I'm sorry, I'm not trying to.
Oh, no, it's okay. Can you make me host again so I can see the breakout rooms? Yeah, and then we can see where we can pick up and.
I'm trying not to.
Is there an offer on Petway?
Yes,
Okay, he must be busy in another courtroom. What's the offer on Petway?
3-month delay.
We're ready on Ariel Turner. And then looks like Jalen Turner needs another pretrial date. I guess that's what that notation means. Sure. Trying to get Marco Bettino to come out because he just needs a new date, right?
Yeah, he just hasn't made any payments.
Good morning, Ms. Turner. Go ahead and unmute for me and turn your camera on and we'll get you out of here. Morning. All right. Calling ticket number P1881984, City versus Ariel Turner. Ms. Turner, please state your name for the record.
Ariel Turner.
Thank you. Ms. Turner, it looks like you are going to be pleading. Ms. Horn. Good morning.
Can you hear me?
I'm actually glad you're here. Yeah, okay, they didn't make that notation. This is a 3-month delay. Thank you. All right.
Okay.
Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty as charged to the allowing unlicensed driver to drive, but it's going to be under a 3-month delayed sentence, which means it'll come off of your record in 3 months as long as you get the fine paid and don't get any similar tickets. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did the attorney advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand, swear, affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth. Need you to answer, please.
Yes. I'm sorry.
Thank you. Is it true that on March 14th of 2026 in the area of Woodward and East Garfield, you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, $190, pay it in 90 days, and you don't need to come see me again as long as you don't get any similar tickets over those 90 days. If, however, you do need to come back and see me, you will do that in 90 days. Madam Clerk, what's that 90-day date?
August 11th at 8:30.
Okay, August 11th at 8:30 a.m. if you need to come back and see us, okay? All right,
Okay.
have a good day. Bye-bye.
Thank you. You too.
Ms. Thomas, I see they're saying you need court-appointed counsel. Did someone get an email address for you and a phone number for you?
They got my phone number.
Okay, very good. All right, did they give you a date to come back? I don't have a sheet from you with dates.
Yeah.
Did they give you a date to come back? Thank you.
No, they didn't, ma'am.
Okay, we're gonna have you come back May the 28th. So this is Kristen Thomas, Madam Clerk.
Yeah.
May 28th at 9:15 a.m., okay?
I'll do Zoom again.
By Zoom, yep.
Will I get a notification in a letter, in the mail?
I don't know, you're on a phone right now, right? Please put it in
Okay,
your,
let me take the notes just a second. 1 second.
and hopefully you'll hear from an attorney before you come back that day, but if not, then you will meet with them that day.
Okay, now what day did you say? I'm sorry.
May 28th
Okay,
at 9:15 a.m.
thank you, ma'am. The
You're
same
welcome.
courtroom?
Same courtroom.
Okay.
Okay, have a great day.
You too, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
I can get off now?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Have a good day.
You.
That's attorney, now, I didn't tell him that he could,
Okay.
go ahead, and
Send
that he
release.
doesn't have the dates.
It's okay. So they're doing the same thing with Jalen Turner then, who I'm trying to get out, who just needs a final pretrial. Let me see if I can prompt them out.
He wasn't actually scheduled, but they told him to come.
But I can't, I've sent him the thing. Yeah, he's maybe unmuting. I'm in here asking him to unmute and start his video. All right, I'm removing him. People don't pay attention. I don't know why they do that. Attorney Dillard is back on screen. All right, Attorney Dillard, there is an offer in your case, and your client is here.
Okay, I would like to speak to the city attorney.
Well, I think she's here now. What was the offer on Mr. Dillard's client?
A 3-month delay sentence.
Okay, 3-month delay is the offer on yours, and Ms. Horn should be here. Yep, she's in room 1 right now.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah.
What breakout? What room do you have my client in?
$18.
18.
Yes.
Okay,
And
thank
the
you.
offer is 3-month delay.
Okay, thank you very much.
Admitting an unnamed device, please cover sensitive eyes and ears. Zoom user, please unmute. I need your name or you will be removed. Zoom user, unmute. Give me a name. Ms. Perry, just a moment. Zoom user, unmute and give me a name or I will have to remove you. All right. Ms. Perry, good morning. May I have the LaTanya Perry file and the Patino Marco file.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right. Ms. Perry, I'll be right with you. All right, Mr. Patino, go ahead and unmute. Turn on your camera. What's the first name? Is it Marco or Bettina?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right, I'm seeing that you need more time to pay.
Yeah,
It doesn't look anything's been paid at this point.
yeah, it's because I mean, recently I've been having a lot of financial struggles, and I've just been trying to get back on my feet and trying to get back in the flow of work.
Like me to convert this to community service because I can't keep extending the delayed sentence and you're going to end up with something on your record if you're not going to do you want to do community service instead?
No, the thing is, I can pay, but the problem with community service is I don't want it to get in the way of my new job that I'm gonna start off, and I just don't want to, like, have to miss
All
or
right. Have you gotten a new job?
Yeah, I found a new job. I'm gonna
Okay,
start.
congratulations. Okay, so let's give you, here's what I'll do. I'm gonna set it for 90 more days to
Okay,
give you a chance to catch up and get this paid, but I'm not gonna be able to extend it again, so I need you to get this done, okay?
okay, Your Honor. I'll get that paid off as soon as I can.
All right, so I'm giving you a date now of August 11th of 2026, okay?
Okay, yeah, I can do that.
Okay. All right, we'll see you back August 11th at 8:30 a.m. Since you've got the new job, you don't need to come if you pay it. You don't have to come to court.
Okay, yeah. Like I said, I mean, I don't mind making like bigger payments at like I'm gonna try to as soon as my paycheck hit, I'm gonna make fragments of like bigger payments here and there. So just to
Well,
try to get that off.
Just so it's done in the 90 days. And what's he owe, Madam Clerk? 190? Okay, $190. That's as low as I can make it, okay?
Okay, yeah, for sure. I'll pay that off like as soon as I start working. It was never an
Okay.
issue. It's just yeah.
Sounds good. Congrats on the new job.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, bye-bye. Okay, let's get to you, Ms. Perry. Calling ticket number P1897802, City versus Latanya Perry. Good morning, Ms. Perry. All I'm getting is, it just says compliance, and I don't have a ticket that requires compliance. Can you double check that? Oh, I'm sorry. He's telling me that you have insurance. And did we run an SOS?
Yes, this is in file.
Okay, very good. It's valid. All right, Ms. Perry. Defense counsel has reviewed your valid insurance documents. We have verified the validity of your license with the Secretary of State. Go ahead and state your name for me.
Hi, my name is Latanya Perry.
Okay, very good. Both your tickets are dismissed for compliance. Good job getting that done.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Okay, bye-bye. Ms. Taylor, did someone send you back out?
No, it was never anyone in there with me.
Ms. Taylor, you were one of the last people to get to court. And
Trial at 9.
you're in line. Your trial is scheduled to begin at 9:30. So someone will be with you, but you have to wait. There's a whole line of people waiting in rooms, just like you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it started at 9. That's why I'm sorry.
Okay, no problem. And trials are scheduled for 9:30, but just fair warning, they often start late. And
Okay.
somebody's gonna come and talk to you, okay?
Okay.
All right.
She needs to put herself, I put her in room 6.
Can you get yourself back to room 6? Can you look at
Yeah.
your device? Okay. Oh, Corporal Lack, I haven't seen him in a while. Good morning, Corporal Lack.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good
How are you?
morning.
Seen you in a while. Okay, let me get you into a breakout room. Go ahead and send you to room 1, okay, Corporal Lack? And
Sounds
then,
good.
all right, good morning. And then on the iPhone, who do I have there, please? You just said good morning to me. Good morning to you. I need you to unmute. Yep.
My name is Deontay Porter. I'm like 30 minutes late. It's nice to meet you. Good morning.
Good morning. Nice to meet you too. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. An attorney's going to come there to see you in a bit. You're in a line, so there's a wait. If you
Okay.
know that your case involves insurance documents, registration, you can use your time that you're waiting to gather those items. Someone will be with you shortly, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead and hit join when you see the invitation, please.
Thank you.
Huh? Yeah, just insurance.
I think so. Let me double check these other tickets.
Oh, shoot. Wasn't that Deontay Porter I just put in a room?
I got these other tickets in here, but look like they're up.
Tori Martinez coming in. One moment. Officer Hannah, good morning. Please unmute. Which case are you here on?
Hi, ma'am. Richard Turner.
Richard Turner.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. I'll place you in breakout room number 1 so you can meet with the city attorney.
Thank you.
Richard Tyson.
Is it Richard Tyson, Officer Hannah?
Negative. It was printed as Richard Turner.
Okay, I'll get you into breakout room number 1.
Right.
Good morning, Your
Attorney
Honor.
Wallace. Uh-huh.
Good morning.
Morning.
Madam Clerk,
Yes.
could you send me a V ticket, please? On
Yes.
Michael Preston?
Okay, he has a couple of them. Give me a second. I will send them.
Yeah, I'm just looking for one, I think, the 0821. We'll start with that.
Wait.
Thank you.
Okay, that's the one you need me to send?
Yes, please.
Okay.
All right, I've got Ebony Pugh.
Donnie Pugh, he was scheduled for yesterday.
Okay.
I just still haven't his file.
Okay. And then Tori Martinez, please unmute. Corporal Lack, did I not send you to breakout room number 1?
No, ma'am, still waiting.
Yeah, no, I did send you. You missed it somehow. I'm gonna have to move you twice, move you to 2 and then move you back to 1. Please watch your device.
Sure.
Hello, ma'am. It's Officer Martinez. I was having difficulties with the unmuting.
Okay. And Officer Martinez, which case are you here on, please?
I'm here on Richard Tyson.
Thank you. I'll put you in breakout room number 1 so you can meet with the city attorney.
Thank you, ma'am.
And then,
This offer was 3 months late.
okay, great. Thank you. Mr. Pugh, I'm going to place you in a breakout room. Please join the room when you see the invitation.
Yes,
An
ma'am.
attorney will be there to speak with you shortly. Please wait patiently. Room 24, go ahead and join.
Oh, I'm sending it right now, Attorney Wallace.
No. I moved to the wrong place.
Okay.
I do that a lot. I will say something when I need you desperately. Other than that, it's my oopsies.
Okay. All right, just sent it. Yeah, that was Deontay Porter. He only had no insurance misdemeanor.
Okay, we'll see if he's got his insurance. Attorney Malafite?
Good morning, Your Honor. Your Honor, I had claimed this to Madam Court Clerk previously. I don't know if you heard me, but technically speaking, I was put in here to just kind of help clean up, as I do have appointed cases in Judge Wagner's courtroom. I believe that you should be clear, or as clear as I can make it at the moment. I am going to head back to Judge Wagner's now.
Okay, were you handling evens or odds?
Odds.
Okay, thank you. Got it. Thanks so much. So we'll need to try to help.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. I'll hold on. Don't even, I'm not looking. So hold on 1 second. I'm trying to get Mr. Porter to come out, but he's not. All right, Mr. Porter, we're going to.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Porter. I can see that you're only. No, that person is not coming in. I don't know what that's about.
I think my name's spelled wrong. They forgot
No,
that.
it wasn't you. I'm talking about someone else in the waiting room who's mixed up a version of my name and named themselves. I don't know who that is. Anyway, Mr. Porter, I can see that the only thing that you have is an insurance ticket. Did you bring proof of insurance today?
I do have insurance, proof of insurance, but it's not like on my card for this state.
That's okay. If you have current insurance, we'll take that. Do you have current insurance?
Yes, I do.
Okay. How do you want to show that to me? You want to unmute your device?
Yes.
Okay. May I have the Deontay Porter file, please? Thank you. No, what that's about. That would have been dangerous. You want to just hold it up to the camera and show it to me, Mr. Porter?
Yes, ma'am. I can definitely do that. Give me 1 second.
Okay. If you have the Leah Perry file, I'll take that one. Ms. Perry, please unmute, turn on your camera. Good morning. Calling ticket number P1889591, City versus, is it Alea Perry?
Yes, ma'am.
It looks like we're going to set this for a bench trial.
Okay.
Were you aware of that? That's the notation they sent out
Yes.
with you.
Yes, I
Okay.
was aware.
Okay. All right. So our next bench trial date.
June 3rd at 9:30.
This is an open alcohol. Do you think we ought to do appointed counsel? I'm kind of thinking. Date on this is just April 2026. It's Officer Purse who does sometimes come. Yes. All right. So what I'm going to do, Ms. Perry, I want to make sure that you have an attorney since you're going to be set for trial and the city will be represented. I need you, Madam Clerk's going to send you a chat. I need you to send her back your phone number and an email address. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
There you go. I got my
Okay, Mr. Porter, hold on 1 second. Go ahead and get it open so I can see the page that matters.
got you. Okay. All right, here you go. Flip the camera.
And then Ms. Perry, because I'm appointing you counsel, I'm going to give you what's called a final pretrial date because I want to make sure that you've had a chance to connect with the attorney, okay, that we're appointing to you. All right?
All right.
So your next date is going to be a final pretrial date, and that will be set for May the 28th at 9:15 a.m.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have an email address that you use? I know Madam Clerk said she got your phone number. Do you have an email address that you use?
I'm typing it right now in the chat.
Okay, great. Thank you. Mr. Porter, I'll be right with you. Just keep the camera on yourself for a moment, please.
Yes, ma'am.
I got her information.
Okay, Ms. Perry. So, Ms. Perry, we're going to set you for final pretrial May 28th at 9:15 a.m. You should hear from an attorney before you come back on that day. However, if you don't, you will meet with them when you get here. Okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye. Okay, Mr. Porter. Calling ticket number P1738154, City versus Deontay Porter. Mr. Porter, just show me the page that shows me. Stop moving around, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Just show me the page that shows me that you have insurance right now.
Okay.
Okay, you can put it down. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, take it off your paperwork. Take the camera off your paperwork, Mr. Porter.
Sorry.
That's okay. Calling number P1738154, City versus Deontay Porter. Mr. Porter, please state your name for the record.
Deontay Porter.
Thank you. All right, good job getting your insurance stuff together, sir. Your ticket is dismissed. Have a great day.
Thanks. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
one, the same thing, he just has no insurance.
Let's just want to bring all his out at once, which is fine. But we can start pulling the files that are left on those upper rooms, because that'll be Walling when he's ready. Good morning, Mr. Taylor.
Good morning.
I can see that your only charge is an insurance charge. Can I have the file on Mr. Taylor, please? All you have is an insurance ticket. Did you have proof of insurance today?
I do.
Okay, you want to go ahead and show that to me, please?
Yes, ma'am. It's right here. If you can see it.
Okay, very good. Go ahead and put that down. Put it down,
Yes,
please.
ma'am. Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Calling ticket number P1894492, City versus Samuel Taylor. Mr. Taylor, state your name for the record, please.
Samuel Taylor.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Taylor, your sole charge here was not having insurance. Having viewed your valid insurance documents, your ticket is now dismissed. Have a great day.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. Now there's two people in the waiting room. Let the lieutenant in. I'm probably going to let this person in, but let's see. I just reported them. We'll see. Lieutenant Addison, good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
Good morning, ma'am. Lieutenant Addison, Detroit Police Department.
And which case are you here on, please?
Richard Tyson.
Thank you. Do we not have a Richard Turner on the docket?
Yeah,
You're going to room 1 to meet with city attorney.
Okay.
I don't see Richard Turner at all.
Or you don't see Richard Turner or Richard Tyson?
We have Tyson.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring Tamika out and just let her know, make sure she understands.
Right.
I was going to give Sterling the room information.
Okay. I think. Is Sterling Taylor?
He left his phone in the car, so.
Oh. Oh, that's he'll probably come inside. For Diamond, I'm sorry.
You're talking to me? Simon Thomas and room 8.
Oh, let me make sure I'm looking at the right one. There's a Diamond. Danielle Phillips.
Hey, Ms. Horn.
Hello, Your Honor.
So just trying to ask, you've got an officer who checked in on, she's saying Richard Turner. We asked her if she meant Richard Tyson. She said negative.
Right.
It was Richard Turner. So I don't know, but I know she's in room 1. So I just wanted to let you know that because I knew you were in room 1. And then you do have retained and a couple other counsel waiting for you in the
Okay. Got it, Your Honor. We are moving to dismiss that Glenn Prentice. I've got a dismissal form that I'd like to put in the file along with the deed. He did record that deed on March 16th, and he sent it to both myself and Officer King.
Okay, is he scheduled for today?
10 o'clock, Your Honor. That was the one with the deed, remember?
I remember. Mm-hmm.
So that's him.
Okay.
So I'll go back in room 1, but I'll bring this down to you. We're going to move for dismissal on the 10 o'clock hearing.
Okay, thank you.
And there's another contractor that King has been in touch with. So there is someone who pulled permits. We got a lot of notes. So he pulled permits.
So you're making progress on determining who that true owner is and all of that.
Yep.
Or who's working responsible. Okay, great.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Uh-huh.
Oh, he's talking to her now.
Who's that?
Danielle Phillips, the offer is to 1 to 5 limited dismissal of the misdemeanor.
Does he know that? Wally has that
Yeah,
offer.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, he's gonna bring all his people out at once, so we need to start pulling files. Brian Tillman. Samuel Petway.
I have that.
Oh, that's Dillard. Michael Preston. Danielle Phillips. And then Bonnie Pugh. Yeah, I'm gonna bring them out. All right, I am admitting an unnamed device or device that's very strangely named. Please cover any sensitive eyes or ears. Please remove any children from eyesight or earshot. All right, here we go. Unmute, give me your real name. I don't know what that name is, or you will be removed again. Unmute, give me your name.
Christopher Thacker.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Thacker, one moment, please. Mr. Thacker, you did not have your name on your device, and you had a very strange version of my name, which is why you were removed. So when you come back to court the next time, if you have to come back, please make sure that you are using your own name on your device, okay?
Okay.
All right. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Someone will be with you shortly.
Okay.
Oh, she's going to revise the offer on Preston. Okay. All right, Mr. Thacker, I'll get you in a breakout room. Someone will come see you shortly.
Okay.
Let's run an SOS on Mr. Thacker, if you don't mind, please. Okay. Please join room 25. Are they dismissing this? This person been sitting out here all morning on a dismissal? Brian Tillman? Have you seen the offer sheet for Brian Tillman? It certainly looks like a dismissal to me. May I have the file, please? Run an SOS on that? Can you run an SOS, please? This is what I don't like, somebody just sitting for an hour when their case is.
looks like, if I'm reading her thing right, he paid count 2, but no
Right.
proof of insurance.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Mr. Tillman, good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Tillman, I'm going to call your matter. Calling ticket P1242156, City versus Brian Tillman. Mr. Tillman, state your name for the record, please.
My name is Brian Tillman.
Thank you. All right. So we can see now that your license is valid. So that's count 1. Driving without a valid license. I'm dismissing that one for compliance. The no proof of insurance ticket was a civil infraction, which you've already paid. And then the city is dismissing count 3 because you paid that other ticket already, which was the registration. So you have nothing more to do. The tickets you had in front of me today are dismissed.
Okay.
All right. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Officer Eaton, good morning. Which case are you here on, please? Officer Eaton, please unmute. I need to know which case you're here on, please.
Sorry.
City Attorney.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Ramsey-Heath.
That's me.
Okay. Well, sorry about that. Richard Tyson times 2. Richard Tyson.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Two
All
okay.
right, I'm gonna get you into breakout room 1 because city attorney's already there, so she'll talk to you there, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Go ahead. Diamond Thomas in room 8. What's she got going on? She's got a pretrial on open alcohol. Driver. Okay.
Mr. Perry check in?
He's here in person.
Good morning. How are you?
Okay, I have some other matters. I'll be back.
Mr. Perry is here in person.
Okay, thank you. How soon you guys would be? Let me see what's going on.
I think we have Wally, and I think he's just holding all his pleas at once. So I think we shouldn't be too much longer because he's at the end of the list.
Okay, I'll be back.
Okay. And Ms. Horn is in room 1 in our Zoom if you need to get to her. Good. How are you? Asia Taylor. Oh my gosh. It's driving me kind of crazy not being able to move cases. I'm not really understanding her notation on Diamond Thomas. I don't understand if there's an offer. Attorney Walling, you got any that we can send out?
No, I have to talk to Ms. Horn.
Okay, on your 1, it was a dismissal on Brian Tillman.
Yes.
It was a dismissal, so I sent him on.
That's fine. It was marked as a question mark. Sometimes I don't understand Ms. Horn's, so that's,
Okay.
and, Mr. Perry, I believe is, you also just got rid of? No. Who else? I did send somebody out who was in compliance.
Yeah, I did do those. Yep, if you
Yeah.
sent them out in compliance, yeah, I did do those.
Okay. And she's done. Yeah, there's several I need to, and
Do you have Diamond Thomas in room 8? Were you working with her?
yes, that's one of the people I have to talk to the prosecutor about.
Okay, all right. Well, she's here. She's in room 1, so she should be with you guys in just a second.
Yeah, but no, okay.
I really do need her to talk to Attorney Paris because those folks have been waiting for a while. I know. Oh, it does say, Ms. Horn said she needs to revise the offer on room 20. So she'll want to talk to you about Michael Preston in room 20.
Okay.
And then you do have somebody in 25 because Attorney Malafite left. He had to go
Okay.
back to Wagner's courtroom. So 24 and 25 are yours too. In room 24, he was scheduled for yesterday. His offer is a 3-month delay. What's the charge on Ivani Pugh? All right, you may want a copy of something.
Judge, let me talk to Ms. Horn while the getting's good.
Gotcha.
And that way I
Okay.
can maybe send some people out to you.
Sounds good. Thanks.
I knew I came out here for something. Madam Clerk?
Can you hear us now?
Yes.
Good.
Madam
Okay.
Clerk?
Yes.
Danielle Phillips tells me she has a number of tickets that she was going to try to get on the payment plan. She hasn't made any payments. So we're talking a little bit about community service. Can you perhaps look at see what we've got I'm looking at?
You mean like a total or?
Yeah. What's currently not been paid that our pleas are out?
They're in default. She has defective brake lights, expired plates, no insurance, registration, no wait, no registration, civil. She has a disregard red signal and an accident. Those are civil infractions.
And they're all in default. Is that what you're telling me?
Yes.
When are they in default from? When were they issued?
What was the tickets are?
I'm trying to see just how old they are. Is it possible they can come out of default or are they too old?
Come out of default. They're from April of this year.
Oh, okay.
Well, those last 2 are.
So the disregarding red and the accident are from April of this year. Those are putting points on her license. So if you want to give her a date to come back so we can pull all these tickets and put them together, you can do that.
Yes.
And that way, you know what I mean? Then she can resolve it without paying everything.
Well, again, I want to have her set up for our community service.
That's fine. I mean, we can do community service, but it's still going to be a lot more hours if she's pleading to everything and these have points. So she needs to see some of these come out of default.
Well, No, I don't disagree, but I don't know since the points have already been assessed. I think that horse is run. You know, they don't, the Secretary of State doesn't pull points back.
Because they're telling me that these are just from April of 2026. Okay.
Oh, well, I think when they get them, they get them. Now that you can adjust according to the fine, but I think once the points get out, that ship sails. Okay.
Officer Chandler, good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
I apologize, Your Honor. My computer froze, so I had to reboot. I need to get back into drawing room 1. Need to get back.
Okay. Which case were you here on again, please?
Sorry, Michael Preston.
Thank you. All right, room 1.
Thank you.
Oh, shit. What happened?
That's how I.
Okay. Attorney Walling? Officer Nelson, good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
Good morning. How are you this morning?
Great, thank you.
Taylor. First initial D.
Gotcha. Okay, I'll put you in breakout room number 1 to see the city attorney.
Thank you.
I don't know what I did, Your Honor, to kick myself out, but anyway, I'm having a hard time finding Mr. Pugh, Ebony Pugh.
He was on the docket for yesterday.
Oh, yes.
His office to a 3-month delayed sentence.
And what was the original charge?
Operating an illegal, hold on. Just let me see the ticket.
The way they write it is different from how it's
It's written up as illegal occupation, under 3156. We'll
Any
need to send him a
notes?
copy. Nope, I'm
Any
gonna send it
notes?
to you. I'm sending
Okay,
it.
thank you.
I'm sure you may, I know you may have a motion, so we're
I
gonna get
might.
you that. All right. Now I'm curious myself.
Yeah. The law is engaged or greater in a place of illegal occupation with intent.
Okay, so engaging or loitering in a place of illegal occupation with intent. So that's the way it's written up in the computer system. The ticket has its own language, so we'll send you that.
Well, whatever it is, it's conclusory without any notes, but
I got no argument with you there. I'm just the neutral fact finder.
I know.
All right. Ms. Attorney Paris?
Sorry, Your Honor, I'm not ready yet. I meant to go into a breakout room after leaving the prosecutor.
Okay, looks like your clients are in room 4 and 5.
Yes, Judge, thank you.
Yes, it comes off of their driving record. That's what I thought. Can I see that ticket again, please?
For Pew.
Yeah, thank you. I mean, it still doesn't advise a person how they defend against the charge. What illegal occupation?
I saw people security. I don't know what that meant.
I have no idea.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, like, I have no idea. What time was he supposed to be here? And when I look up, when I just do a quick search of the portion that it's citing, I could be wrong. This is AI returning something. They're saying that that goes directly to a noise ordinance. Need to look at Municode. Morning, Attorney Soroki. You have co-host. I mean, we got a trial, we need to start. All right, we'll bring, who did we not hear from?
Officer Cope for Dominique.
Okay, we'll bring her in.
I don't know where I put her file. I know I had it.
Okay. I'm trying to go in to bring her out. All right, I've got Dominique Thomas. Go ahead and unmute, please. Turn your camera on. We're going to call your matter.
Okay, I'm here.
Thank you. All right, I have tickets SX4655, 551 and SX46555552. These are both City versus Dominique Thomas. Mr. Thomas, please state your name for the record.
Dominique Tyrone Thomas.
Thank you. Right, number one, I can see that your license is valid now, so that's good. And then we've got a no insurance as well. The officer who was subpoenaed to appear for your trial today did not appear. So your tickets would be dismissed without prejudice. I'm going to go ahead and dismiss your license ticket with prejudice for compliance, okay, because you've got a valid license now. Did you bring proof of insurance today?
No, I wasn't able to get the insurance because
It's
my
okay.
friend
All
had.
right, that's
he
okay.
told his
Stop. Thank you. All right. So the driver's license will be dismissed with prejudice, okay, for compliance. So that means they can't bring that one back. Then on the other one, though, that's where the officer failed to appear today. And so that one will get dismissed as well, but that one gets dismissed without prejudice. Without prejudice means they could refile it at a later date. If they did, you'd come back and see us again, hopefully have some insurance, okay?
Okay.
Have a great day. Tickets are
You
dismissed.
too. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. Okay. What's going on with this thing? We do have the attorney here, I mean, the officer here on Denisha Taylor, right? Ms. Hornback. Oh, Soroki's talking, maybe he's talking to her. And so we may not have, the defendant may not appear at 10 a.m. because he's talked with city, so we may just go ahead and enter that dismissal.
Oh.
Yeah. And on Townsend, you got that he's discharged from probation today? We don't need to keep this.
Yeah, I'm gonna just keep it with this file. It was just a note for his job that he had to appear today because we couldn't do it yesterday.
Gotcha. Oh, yeah, that's what I was doing. Look at this. Okay. What does this even say? What does this say? Is this case 31-5-6? Can you read it? That's what it looks like to you? Yeah, AI did return something that was. Imagine that.
I think only one officer checked in Mr. Perry's case.
Okay.
And so,
Which officer?
he's here now.
Hi, officer. What's your name?
Officer Ball.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, and so, Prosecutor Horn will be on in a second, I think, to give us the final offer, and we can just put on the record.
Okay, very
all
good.
the case.
Okay.
Thank you.
No.
Prosecutor Horn also wanted to confirm that no other in-person officers checked in Mr. Perry.
No, just Officer Paul.
Okay, all right.
No officer.
You can bring her in, she'll be ready.
If I could, if I could control everything, this is what I hate the most, sitting here waiting. It's my least favorite thing to do.
Yeah. Oh, you never logged in, did you?
No, busy.
Oh, see, I forget. Herman Taylor is here in person. Simple offer.
She's in a breakout room speaking with a couple of other attorneys. As soon as she's done, I'll pull her out.
He's here in person. His license is valid and the offer is for 1 to 5 limited access.
Okay, you want to bring him on in, please? Thank you.
Thanks, Tom.
Bring him on up to the podium. Thank you, Tom.
Get his phone log in. I forgot.
Good morning, Mr. Taylor.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good. I'm going to go ahead and call your case and we'll talk about it. I'm calling ticket number P1872738, City versus Sterling Taylor. Mr. Taylor, just state your name for the record for me.
Sterling Taylor.
Thank you. All right, you have 2 charges in front of me. One is failure to display a valid driver's license, which we can see you have a valid license, so that one's getting dismissed. Okay. And then you've got a failure to stop for a stop sign. That carries usually 3 points. They're offering to reduce that to 1 to 5 over limited access, which would make it a 0-point ticket. It'll still show up on your driving record, but it's 0 points. If you wish to accept that, you can accept that and pay the fine. Otherwise, I've got to have you log in some way that you can speak with an attorney about it.
Okay. I accept and I'll take none.
Okay, all right. So it's 1 to 5 over limited access. So that just means raise your right hand for me and swear from you're gonna tell the truth. Just need you to give me an answer. Just answer me yes or no.
Yes.
Thank you. All right. So then is it true that you're bidding on April 9th of 2026 in the area of Warwick and Fitzpatrick to either failing to stop for a stop sign or to going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit?
Yes.
All right, thank you. All right, so it's no points. It's $125. I'll give you 60 days to get that 125 paid or to start on a payment plan with the cashiers down on the first floor by giving them a payment. If you need a longer term payment plan, if you can't pay it in 60 days, then you can go downstairs and ask them for a payment plan and they'll just ask you for a down payment. Just at least give them the down payment in the next 60 days.
$125.
$125, that's all it is.
I go downstairs.
You sure can. Wait, Madam Clerk will give you some paperwork and you can go on downstairs and pay it.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're very welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Either room 25 was released or left. First floor. Yep, okay. Yeah, not there anymore. As soon as Ms. Horn is out, I'll pull her here.
Okay. Oh, there's no. Oh, yeah, there's no date out here. That's the schedule of date. Yeah, I think I got that. But let me check with the judge. Hold on one second. So, Attorney, sorry you're on the line. This is a motion you filed to get Mr. Peterson belongings returned to him, and he needs to schedule a date
Okay.
for the motion hearing. He's on the phone now.
No, Ms. Warren's every day. I mean, she's here every day, so let's just schedule it.
And today when we don't have afternoon.
Let's set it soon. When was the motion filed?
It was filed April 28th.
Let's set the motion hearing for hate to do this, but I think we need to put it out 2 weeks for Ms. Horn. So 27, something around there.
About 10 o'clock.
That's fine. And just ask him to prepare an order, please, if he hasn't already.
Oh, and that says prepare an order.
Yeah, prepare an order.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
All right, we're ready on Diamond Thomas. Let me
Yes.
try to grab Ms. Horn. Thank you. She's still in there on Joseph Dillard, but if you could give me the Diamond Thomas file. All right, Ms. Thomas, go ahead and turn your camera on for me. We're going to call your matter. Thank you. Good morning again. Calling ticket number P1897869, City versus Diamond Thomas. Ms. Thomas, please state your name for the record.
Diamond Thomas.
Thank you. You had 2 tickets which the city has agreed to dismiss at this time. I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss. Have a great day. Your tickets are dismissed.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Have a great day.
Welcome. Okay, bye-bye. Where did Soroki go? Hey, Ms. Horn, I just didn't want you to leave, go back to your officers before you. We've got Officer Ball here on, which case is that?
The Soroki's client.
Yep, so he just was seeing if you had an offer on Ball.
It looks like just on Ball's ticket, we're just asking for expired plates as charged.
Okay.
It's my understanding from what I can tell, none of the other officers appeared.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
And thank you, Officer Ball. I know you're in the hallway. I'm on Zoom, so sorry I wasn't able to reach you in person.
Yep, he's right here.
Yeah, thanks.
All right, thanks, Ms. Horn. Okay, Officer Ball, then if you want to just leave Madam Clerk a phone number in case we need you to go to trial, but I don't know. Mr. Perry? Okay, so you just heard that offer. And that means they would dismiss the driver's license ticket, dismiss the no insurance ticket. You would just have a civil infraction for expired plates, which is a fine, but no, which is a fine, but no points. And then everything else would be dismissed because the other officers didn't appear. If you want to wait for Mr. Soroki to come back to do that, we can do that. All right, you guys, you would like to proceed. Okay, then Officer Ball, thank you for your appearance. It's like you can stay if you want to place your name on the record. All right, I am calling tickets number P1853142 and P1853155. For the record, these tickets were both issued by Officer Clark, who has failed to appear for court today and failed to notify the court as to the reason for their non-appearance. All tickets issued by Officer Clark will be dismissed without prejudice at this time. Without prejudice means that they can refile them at a later date. You come back and see me if that happened, but it's not the norm, okay? And then on the other ticket, which was written by Officer Ball, come on over to the podium, which is ticket number P1866818. This one's City versus Jawan Perry. All right, Mr. Perry, state your name for the record.
Juwan Perry.
Thank you. Officer Ball, yours for the record, please.
Officer William Ball.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Perry, so they've agreed to just have you plead to the civil expired plates, dismissing the 2 misdemeanors of no insurance and driving while license suspended. Those 2 will be dismissed with prejudice because they are dismissed pursuant to the plea, okay? And then your expired plates, raise your right hand, swear affirm you're going to tell me the truth today?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Is it true that on February 17th of 2026 in the area of West 7 Mile and Braille, you were operating a vehicle with expired plates?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. All done there. You'll have a fine. Madam Clerk, do you know what that one is? Okay, $145, okay? You got 60 days to get it paid or start on a payment plan with the cashiers.
Gotcha.
All right, have a great day. Thank you. Thank you, Officer Ball.
Time consistent, if you want to.
Want this paper? You get it.
Everything else is being voted.
Appreciate you.
All right, thank you. Be with you guys in just a moment. Okay. Mr. Preston, let's see what Mr. Preston has. Okay, Michael Preston. Michael Preston, please unmute.
Yeah.
Thank you. Please activate your camera. Did you wish to appear on this one, Attorney Walling, or were you needing us?
You know, I had a question with regard to Miss Phillips, and I can cut her loose.
Okay,
Can we
so
just set?
But I do want to advise you, I did speak with our liaison to Secretary of State. Those points do come off if they're taken out of default and admitted to something else.
And that's sort of what Ms. Horn told me. That's good news, Your Honor. Now, we had sort of discussed setting those for another date to collect all them at one time.
Yep.
That's good. That works for her. So.
Okay.
Now.
So why don't you give her a final pretrial date, May 28th, 8:35 a.m.
Yes, I will.
We'll get it all put together. Okay, thanks so much.
Yes. So you were talking about to Mr. Preston. I just as soon appear on that one.
Okay, thank you. All right. We have ticket number V121-30421 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Michael Preston. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning to you finally. My name is Philip X. Walling, P35229, representing Michael Preston. State your name, Michael.
Michael Preston.
Thank you, Mr. Preston. Please activate your camera. I'm going to take your plea.
Okay, when it says start video, I press start video and then it go right back to just showing y'all.
Okay, I'm not sure why that would be, but all right, we'll just have to roll with it. Okay, Attorney Walling.
It say start my video. I'm pressing now. It won't connect.
Okay, that's okay. All right, let's let Attorney Walling go ahead. Go ahead, Attorney Walling, please.
Pursuant to the people's recommendation, Your Honor, my client will be pleading to one count of animal cruelty, and I believe that's to be taken as a delayed sentence for 12 months. One part, the driving while without a license, amended to failure to display, and the responsible for the 3 civil infractions: seatbelt, brake lights, and the no valid registration.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. He has been advised of his rights, Your Honor. So he's ready.
Okay, thank you. One moment. I'm just pulling out the various tickets. 821, then I have 0851. I have on the seatbelt and brake lights. One moment, please. 5241 and 2451. I'm not seeing 5241. One moment. And then on the registration, I have 4513. Madam Clerk, would you help me, please? I don't see the 2451. So I'm looking for ticket ending in 5241, which I don't see, but I do think I just saw a seatbelt ticket. Sorry, just give me one moment.
No, that's fine. Yeah, 5241 is the seatbelt ticket.
Yeah, I'm just trying to find the actual ticket because I need it for the factual basis.
Yes.
5241. Okay, there it is. It's the one I was using because I can't see. All right. So that one's there, 5241. And then we've got the last one is going to be 4513. So can you please let me know if you see the registration ticket, which should be the one ending in 24513. Here, I'm gonna give you this pile and just see it, make sure I'm not missing it. 24513. Okay, Mr. Preston, is all of this consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Okay, and did anybody promise you anything else, get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone
I just agreed to the deal.
Mr. Preston, I have certain questions I have to ask you in accordance with the court rules, okay? They're not trick questions. I just need a yes answer, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Did anyone promise you anything else other than your other tickets were going to get dismissed to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
And did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
No. No.
Okay. Attorney Wallen?
I'm yeah, I think he's good. Nobody promised him, right? I'm sorry. I got a message from Mr. Malice.
Asked if he was pleading guilty because he is guilty, and he said no.
Oh. All righty. Michael, what you indicated you wanted to plead guilty, correct?
I do want to plead guilty.
All right. Well, are you guilty of are we on which one are we on, Judge?
Yeah, I haven't even asked him yet, but I'm referring to the animal cruelty right now. That's the first ticket I'm handling. It says you failed to properly execute an owner's duty of care. Are you saying you're not guilty of that, Mr. Preston?
No, I am. I was just saying I was saying I wasn't guilty of the seatbelt in the registration, but because I had it on and I had it in my glove box.
It's all a package deal, sir, like we discussed.
Yes, I know. I said I plead guilty. I plead guilty.
Okay. Don't get mad at me. I'm
Mr.
passing on
Preston,
it. I'm passing on information.
Here's what's happening, Mr. Preston. I'm asking you yes or no questions, and you're elaborating. Okay. Mr. Preston, I'm going to mute you for a moment. I'm going to move on to another couple cases, and I'll come back to you.
I will. Right. I'll move on a sec too, Judge.
Okay, thank you. All right, let's take the Attorney Paris. Are you ready on your matters?
Yes, Your Honor, I am. Good morning to you.
All right. Can we start with Mercedes? Is it Mercedes Petway?
Yes, Judge.
Right, Ms. Petway, thank you. Good morning. Calling ticket number P1868147, City versus Mercedes Petway. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. City of Paris, P88615 here on behalf of Mercedes Petway. Ms. Petway, please state your full name.
Mercedes Petway.
Thank you. Charges here are City Park closed, improper transport of usable marijuana, and open alcohol passenger. What's the resolution, please, Attorney Paris?
Yes, Judge. There's been a recommendation set forth at this time that Ms. Petway would like to avail herself of. Specifically, she is going to be entering a guilty plea to the park violation on a 3-month delayed sentence, with the balance being dismissed in the stipulation to probable cause.
Thank you. Mercedes Petway, is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did your attorney advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I affirm it will be the truth.
Thank you. All right. One moment, please. Ms. Horn?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you had a chance to address the trial case in room 6, Denasia Taylor?
No, no House counsel has spoken to me about her.
Attorney Malafite, would you mind going into room 2 with Ms. Horn to talk about the trial case in room 6, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Co-host. All right. Ms. Petway, is it true that on February 16th of 2026 in the area of 24th Street and West Jefferson that you were in a city park after posted closing hours?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, your fine's going to be $190 for the record. The other tickets are dismissed. It's $190 and you've got 3 months to get it paid. As long as you pay it in the 3 months and don't get any similar tickets, you don't have to come back and see me. If you do get a similar ticket in those 3 months or you don't get it paid in full, you'll come back and see me on August 11th at 8:30 in the morning, okay?
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
As this will simply be dismissed on that date.
Got it. Thank you.
All right, you are welcome. Thank you. All right,
And
are we ready
you're-
on? Huh? Go ahead.
I just had
Ms.
a
Horn,
quick question,
sorry.
Your Honor.
Yeah.
Richard Tyson, has Melita Barrett or he checked in? I didn't see him checked in. We have several officers here on that.
Nope. So you can release them. It's after 10:30 and he's not here.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Madam Clerk.
Thank you. All right, we're ready on Maya Payman.
Yes.
Okay. Calling ticket number 355557, City versus Maya Payman. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Sydney Paris, P88615, here on behalf of Maya Payman. Ms. Payman, please state your full name.
Maya Christine Payment.
Thank you. This ticket is for drag racing spectator. Attorney Paris, is there a resolution?
Yes, there is, Your Honor. There's been a recommendation set forth that my client would like to take advantage of. Specifically, she is entering a guilty plea with a 12-month delayed sentence.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Payman, is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Anybody promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I do.
Thank you. All right. Is it true, ma'am, that on April 4th, Madam Clerk, you didn't take a look at this? See the date? Does it make sense to you? Okay, thank you. Okay, that's what they meant, 2022. Did this occur in 2022, Ms.
Yes.
Payman? Okay,
Yes.
all right. So is it true that on April 4th of 2022 in the area of Gibson and Canfield, that you were a spectator of drag racing?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. So the fine is $190. You have 12 months to pay it. You got to get it paid in 12. Am I boring you?
No, I'm sorry.
You have 12 months to pay it. Get it paid. Don't get any similar tickets, and this will get dismissed from your record in 12 months. If something happens where you get a similar ticket, or you don't get it paid, then you need to come back and see me in 12 months. And that would be May 13th of 2027. Okay.
Okay.
It's getting warm outside. It's getting nice outside. Please don't pick up another one of these kind of tickets so that we'll be able to dismiss it for you in a year. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye. Thank you, Attorney Paris.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good one.
Thank you. Okay, I'll take the Ibani Pugh matter. Then Danielle Phillips is back. I think Attorney Walling, I'm going to speak with Madam Clerk. I may have you go ahead and motion those things out of default so we make sure that they run cleanly at the next court date. Okay. But can I have the Ibani Pugh file? Oh, I've got it. All right. On Ibani Pugh, I've got ticket number U744379926, City versus Ibani Pugh. Counsel?
Your Honor, my name is Philip X. Walling, representing Ibani Pugh. I think we need Ms. Horn for this.
Okay, thank you. We'll get her. Phone number ending in 1062. What is your name, please?
Samuel Petway. I got cut off.
All right, one moment, please. That's Attorney Dillard. Have you spoken with Attorney Dillard this morning?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to move them out here. And Ms. Horn is in a discussion, so we'll deal with Danielle Phillips first. We have that file. Which ones? All of her tickets are in default, that are in default can be pulled?
Just the civil infraction. Yes, the other group was from September 25.
Okay. All right. Mr. Mute. There we go. Ms. Phillips, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, can you activate your camera, please? We're going to have a couple things happening in your case, and I want to make sure that you understand. So let's try to start your video. Thank you. All right, so first of all, I have ticket number P1893481, City versus Danielle Phillips. This ticket has 2 counts, no insurance misdemeanor and disregarding a red or yellow light. Those are from April. That disregarding the red is from April of 2026. That's the one you're saying is in default, Madam Clerk?
Yeah.
Okay, and then can you please call the other ones that are in default, Madam Clerk? And we also have several civil infractions in default. Madam Clerk is getting ready to call those matters.
SP 1798253 counts 1, 2, and 3, and SX 4069871.
Thank you. And can you please read the charges?
I'm sorry. Defective brake lights, expired plates, no valid registration, and accident.
Counsel.
Philip X. Walling, representing Ms. Phillips. As to all these matters that are currently in default, I'd ask this court to use its sound discretion and set aside all the defaults. And we could set all these matters for a future date, which you've given me, but I didn't give to Ms. Phillips yet.
That's okay. All right, so motion to set aside defaults is granted. So what, Ms. Phillips, what that means is you had some civil infractions that were putting points on your license. Okay, so now we've pulled those out of default, meaning that you had already been deemed guilty. We pulled them out of default so that they'll get grouped with all the rest of your tickets on your next court date, and they can address them, hopefully get you something decent. The next court date is going to be May 28th. All right, at 8:35.
Okay.
All right, have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. All right, let's see if we can get Ms. Horn to come talk to us.
Do I leave now?
Can we get through Mr. Preston?
We can try. All right, Mr. Preston, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we're going to try this again. Back on the record in City versus Michael Preston. Now, Mr. Preston, we were in the middle of establishing that you were entering a knowing and voluntary plea. All right. You understand that this is a package deal. As for the civil infractions, you're really not admitting guilt, but for this failure to, for the misdemeanor ticket on the animal case, you do have to admit guilt unless you're entering a no contest plea. So I'll ask you once again, the animal ticket, are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
All right. And were you advised that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Exactly. Yes.
Okay, thank you. All right, raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me is the truth.
Okay.
Okay, do you swear to tell the truth?
Yes.
Okay. Is it true that on June 29th of 2021 through July 20th of 2021 at an address on Buckingham Street that you failed to provide an owner's duty of care to a dog?
Yes.
All right, thank you. All right, now we got to deal with your other tickets, which is I've got your failure to use a seat belt, which they are saying occurred on April 7th of 2026 in the area of East Warren and St. Antoine. You have to admit to that for me to accept your plea. Are you admitting to that?
Yes.
Okay. All right, that takes care of the seat belt ticket. Where's my docket? Where's my offer sheet? Okay. Then I have, let's see, I've got ticket ending in 0851. All right. Mr. Preston, on 0851, ticket ending in 0851, they are asking you to enter a plea to failure to display a valid license, which they are alleging occurred on April 7th, 2026 in the area of East Warren and St. Antoine. Are you guilty of driving without a valid license at that time?
Yes. But I thought he said it was gonna be failure to comply, but yeah.
It is failure to display.
Yeah,
You're
yes.
entering a display ticket, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
That's okay. Yeah, you are more than welcome to ask questions. The point of my questions is to make sure that you're not getting forced into doing something you don't want to do. So if you got something to say, you are welcome to say it, okay? All right, so we've got the failure to display. Then I have, we did your seatbelt ticket. You've got defective brake lights. Then you're admitting on April 7th, 2026 in the area of East Warren and St. Antoine that you were operating a vehicle with defective brake lights. You're admitting to that?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I have ticket ending in, this is the one I still can't find, Madam Clerk, 4513. Thank you. All right, we've got the registered actions. Thank you. Okay, and then you are admitting that on April 7th, same location, same date, that you did not have a valid registration certificate in your possession at that time, Mr. Preston. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. All right, here we go. All right, for the record, all of the other charges against you that were on the docket for today are being dismissed pursuant to my acceptance of your pleas. Attorney Walling, are you satisfied as to all the factual bases?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. All right, so Mr. Preston, on your dog ticket, that's 190.
Your Honor, I'm sorry, Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit. Yeah, Mr. Walling, you never came back to talk to me about Mr. Preston and the dog
He
ticket.
was accepting the offer that was.
But I had specifically written on the name of the room, need to change offer based on what the investigator spoke with me about. And you said that you were going to go back and speak to him about the dog cases. And
I'm sorry.
one question lingering,
I'm
which
sorry,
was
I
whether the dogs
misunderstood.
are licensed.
Right. I'm sorry, I misunderstood.
No.
So this is a case from 2021. Mr. Preston, are these dogs that you still own, that you have?
No.
Okay.
No.
Ms. Horn, you're asking if the dogs are licensed, but if he doesn't have the dogs anymore, they would not be licensed.
I understand, Your Honor, but after speaking with Investigator Chandler, these dog tickets need to be revised. I'm asking him to plead not just to one.
Well, okay.
Hold on, Mr. Preston. Where are the other dogs? Where are the other dogs? Thank you. right, so that would mean that we have other dog tickets for harboring unlicensed dog. 1, 2, 2 counts of harboring unlicensed. Then I've got a failure to vaccinate. 1, 2 failures to vaccinate. And then then I have another failure to give to exercise owner's duty of care. So there's 2 different dogs. We have charges as to both dogs of failure to provide failure to perform the duty of care, harboring unlicensed, and then failure to provide proof of vaccination.
Thank you, Your Honor. Yes, my understanding from the investigator, there was 6 charges. We were to revisit this, so I don't know how we're putting a plea on the record. I'm a little blindsided right now.
And for the record, I'd like to respond to that. When I talked to Ms. Horn, most of my conversation was because of my client being in compliance, was to see if we could just plead to the animal cruelty ticket in and of itself. She told me no. I said, okay. That's when I went back to my client. She asked about the dog animals he currently has, whether they are licensed, and they're different animals, but they are animals. So if I misunderstood, I'm sorry. But on the other hand, if in good faith, I went because he is in compliance with his driving tickets.
Okay, gotcha. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to move Mr. Preston. You're muted, Ms. Horn. I'm going to move Mr. Preston back to room 5 and let you guys go revisit that. I know that we have a motion on Ibani Pugh. Ms. Horn. I'll let you guys go talk in room 5 before I deal with the next case. Or I'm putting Mr. Preston in room 5 so you guys can go deal with that one.
Okay.
All right, thank you. We'll be back on the record on that one whenever you guys are done. Can I get the Taylor file, please? Denasia Taylor, and then we'll go to Petway. And then I've got you, Attorney Malafite. Thank you for your assistance.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Denasia Taylor, I've got ticket number P1867661, City versus, is it Denasia Taylor? Ms. Taylor, unmute.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, looks like City Attorney has agreed to dismiss these tickets.
That is accurate, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Then I'm going to go ahead and dismiss them at this time. Have a good day.
We stipulate to probable cause, Judge.
Thank you. Thank you for the stipulation. All right, Ms. Taylor, have a good day. Your ticket's dismissed. May I have a Samuel Petway file, please?
1 minute, Your Honor.
Mr. Petway is out here with us. Do you need him in a breakout room? Where did he? Because he's not ready?
It's unclear from what he said.
I'm really not.
I'm here. Can you hear Mr. Petway?
I can hear you, Mr. Petway. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
I'm muting you just because I'm getting feedback. I just don't understand what Attorney Dillard's saying. Okay. I'm unclear about what you were saying, Attorney Dillard.
Well, I'm ready to proceed, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Petway had gotten knocked out of the Zoom and he came back in, so I didn't know where you guys were. All right. Calling ticket number P1863368, City versus Samuel Lee Petway. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Joseph Dillard, P37225, on behalf of Mr. Petway. Mr. Petway, state your full name for the record. You got to
Mr. Petway, please
turn your mic on.
Please unmute again, Mr. Petway. There we go. State your name, Mr. Petway. State.
Samuel Lee Petway Jr.
Thank you. Counsel.
Yes, Joseph Dillard, P37225, on behalf of Mr. Petway. He wishes to resolve this matter by way of plea that's to the recommendation of a 3-month delayed sentence. Is that correct, Mr. Petway?
Yes, sir.
All right. Mr. Petway, did anybody promise you anything else get you to plead guilty today other than the delayed sentence?
No, they did not, Yes, Honor.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, Honor, they didn't. I was just.
Are you pleading guilty
No,
because you are guilty, Mr. Petway?
I'm not guilty, but I'm just pleading guilty because I
Your
want
Honor,
to.
let me go to the breakout room, please.
What's wrong, buddy?
I'm sending him to room 3.
3, thank you, Your Honor.
Attorney Malafite?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you for coming back to help us.
I understand.
I am looking here just to see if there's anything else we need assistance with.
Certainly.
And I don't think so.
Okay.
So I appreciate you coming back, but we're all good.
Anytime, Judge. Thank you so much.
Have a great day. Yeah, go ahead and do that. Thank you. All right, for the record. All right. For the record, I'm calling tickets number V125213 and V125214. These are both City versus Glenn Prentice. We had motion hearing or trial in this case previously, which was adjourned to give Mr. Prentice time to electronically record or make sure that the deed had been filed in this case as to the true owner of the property. That deed has now been filed, and in accordance with that, the city attorney has made a motion to dismiss the tickets, which the court is going to grant at this time, as Mr. Prentice does not appear to be the correct party for the city to be ticketing. So those tickets are dismissed at this time. Thank you, Madam Clerk. With prejudice. The dismissal is with prejudice. On the proofs. I'm just gonna mute this. Officer Chandler, you're just waiting for Ms. Horn?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm.
Ready, Your Honor.
Remote like I do at home. Okay. All right. We're back on the record in City versus Samuel Petway. Mr. Petway, state your name once again for the record.
Samuel Lee Petway Jr.
Thank you. And Attorney Dillard, once again for the record.
Joseph Dillard, P37225. On behalf of Mr. Petway, today is the date and time for pre-trial. He wishes to tender a plea. He accepts the offer of the prosecutor to a delayed sentence, 3-month delayed sentence.
All right, thank you. Mr. Petway, you understand that you're going to be admitting guilt as part of my acceptance of this plea.
Yes.
And you don't have to do that. You're entitled to a trial. Were you advised that you have the right to a trial?
Yes.
Were you advised of the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you're not going to have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
And you are pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I solemnly swear that everything I say today is the truth.
Thank you, sir. Is it true that on February 5th of 2026 in the area of Gratiot and Madeline that you interfered with a city employee who was attempting to perform their duties?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is $190 and you have 90 days to get it paid. Also, don't get any similar tickets. As long as you do those two things over the next 90 days, this will be dismissed in 90 days and removed from your record. If something happens where you pay, you're welcome. If something happens where you don't get it paid or you get another ticket like this, then you've got to come back and see me on August 11th, okay?
That is correct. Understood.
All right. Okay. So, and the other thing is if you miss that 90-day date, they won't take your payment anymore. They'll make you come back to court. So try to get it done, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Have a great.
Yes, just for clarification, if he does everything, is he excused from appearing on?
Yes, he only needs to come if something happens where he doesn't get it paid or he gets a similar ticket. So we can redress it. Okay. Have a good day, Mr. Petway.
Thank you.
Thank you. And that's August 20th.
He said August 11th.
Okay, August 11th. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Have a great day. Thank you.
You too. Take care, Yana.
Thank you, you too. All right, Ms. Horn, I see you're back. Ms. Horn? Today is a weird day. Would you send Ms. Horn a copy of the Bonnie Pugh ticket, please? She's going to need that. Okay, Attorney Walling?
Yes.
I see Mr. Preston is there he is. He's connected to audio. Are we ready to, what are we doing with this?
Yes, we are.
Thank you. All right, we're back on the record in City versus Michael Preston. Okay, Officer Chandler, you go ahead and put your appearance on the record.
Officer Chandler, badge 15.
Thank you. All right, Attorney Walling.
Here is the updated offer, Your Honor. My client is going to be tendering a plea to 2 animal cruelties.
Okay.
The failure to display the license that we had begun to do, that's going to be dismissed. And then he's going to plead responsible to the seatbelt, defective plates, and no registration. So we're changing the failure to display to a second animal cruelty. Both are a delayed sentence for 12 months.
Okay. All right, Mr. Preston, is that consistent with your understanding now?
Yes, ma'am.
And did anyone promise you anything else that I don't know about to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right. Sir, are you admitting, raise your right hand, swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth?
Yes.
Is it true that between June 29th of 2021 and July 20th of 2021 at an address on Buckingham that you failed to provide an owner's duty of care to 2 different dogs?
Yes.
Thank you. Right, then you are also admitting, where are the tickets? I'm sorry, one moment. Everything's a mess. He's got these 3 civil infractions on 1 ticket, Madam Clerk. Do you see a date and location at all? I don't know what happened to that ticket. Oh, there it is. All right. Sir, are you admitting that on April 7th of 2026, in the area of East Warren and St. Antoine that you had defective brake lights?
Yes.
Are you also admitting that you did not have proof of insurance that day?
Yes.
And you're admitting also that you did not have valid registration that day?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. All right, give me a minute so I can correct what we did before. I don't want you having those out there. Okay, let's talk about your fines. So on each of your dog tickets, Mr. Preston, it's going to be $190.
Okay.
And you have months, so it's 190 times 2. You have 12 months to pay those. Are we entering these still under the delayed sentence, Attorney Walling?
Yes.
All right, so you've got 12 months to get those paid. Pay it. Don't get any similar tickets for 12 months. And this will simply get pulled up and dismissed from your record at that time. If you get another ticket or you can't get the 190 times 2 paid, I think that's 360. If you can't get that paid or you don't get it paid within the 12 months, then you do have to come back and see me again. I would hope that that won't happen so we can just remove this from your record. But if it does, you'll come back and see me on May 13th of 2027. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And so on your other tickets, your defective brake lights, no proof of insurance, and no valid registration. Madam Clerk, those are all civil. Do you know
No,
the
Judge,
final?
that was incorrect. It wasn't a no proof of insurance. It was where is it now?
Registration.
No registration, no brake light and seatbelt. The no proof of insurance was dismissed.
Okay. All right. So dismissing no proof of insurance. And then admitting to the no valid registration on April 7th of 2026. Is that correct, Mr. Preston?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then I've got to find your seatbelt ticket. If you know the fines on the defective brake lights and registration, Madam Clerk, let me know.
Defective brake lights is 120.
Okay.
The registration is 90.
Okay. Okay. So on your dog tickets, 190 and 190. Then on your defective brake lights, that one is 120. On your registration, that one is 90. And on the seatbelt, it's 65. I'm going to give you 90 days to deal with these. And you can deal with them either by going and getting on a payment plan or paying them in full. But if you need a payment plan, go see the cashiers so you know how much of a down payment they're going to ask you for. Was there a request for community service here, Mr. Walling? I just want to make sure.
No, not with this defendant. That was Ms. Phillips.
Okay, so then you've got 90 days to go see the cashiers to get on a payment plan on the tickets that are not the dog tickets. The dog tickets, you need to prioritize paying off within 12 months. You may be able to get a longer term payment plan on these other ones if you need it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Have a good day, Mr. Preston.
You too,
Have a good day, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
I said, have a good day, Your Honor. Thank you.
Do the same. Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh, boy. Okay. Ms. Horn? I don't know. All right. You should have gotten a copy of the Abani Pew ticket because it looks like we're going to have a motion on that.
Yes, and thank you, Mr. Walling did send that over to me too, the U ticket.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, thank you, Madam Clerk.
All right, we're ready.
Sure.
All right, I'm calling ticket number U74437926. This is City versus Ebony Pugh. Appearances, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor.
Your Honor, my name is Philip X. Walling, representing Ebony Pugh. State your name there, Mr. Pugh.
How you doing? My name is Ebony Pugh.
Thank you.
Now, this is a little out of the loop because it was on yesterday's docket, Your Honor.
Let me get Ms. Horn's appearance if we didn't already. Sorry.
You did.
Okay, thank you. Go ahead, Attorney Walling.
This was on yesterday's docket, Your Honor. Thanks for whatever reason it landed in my lap, and thank you to everyone for pulling the ticket for me. My client is charged with operating an illegal occupation. We have the ticket. It gives a date. It gives a time. It says 1540 that this event happened at 1541 Schoolcraft, illegal occupation. There is a citation number under that. And then oddly enough, in what looks to me like a different handwriting, the word security. Having said all that, Your Honor, with regard to the ticket, I believe the ticket is insufficient on its face because it is depriving Mr. Pugh, and more importantly, Mr. Pugh's lawyer, of sufficient information to adequately prepare a defense. There are a number of misdemeanors for illegal occupation. It could be a gambling den, could be a house of prostitution, could be a place that sells marijuana, could be an after-hours bar. None of that is indicated, and therefore, Mr. Pugh is denied his constitutional right to effective assistance of counsel. And based upon that, I move to dismiss this ticket.
Thank you, Attorney Horn.
The people are moving for dismissal, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Well, that made my job real easy this morning. Okay. All right, guys. This ticket is dismissed, Mr. Pugh. Have a good day.
Thank you as well, Your Honor.
Bye-bye. All right, everyone. Have a wonderful afternoon. Thank you for your hard work today.
Mr.
Thank you, Your
Malphite,
Honor.
are you still around?
And Your Honor, I did it that way because it says security, and a lot of the folks, like, they cater, they do all kind of stuff. They don't know what these owners and these these promoters are,
Yeah.
what the paperwork really looks like. They're just trying to make money too.
And that was the problem, because as I was looking at the city code, right, it even has an or clause. So it's unlawful for any person to engage in an illegal occupation or to loiter in a place of illegal occupation with intent. So without them noting more, I don't even know if they're being charged with engaging in the illegal occupation or loitering there. So yeah, we need more information. Okay.
Yep.
All right. Well, thank you guys.
And he was
All right,
security too, Judge. He didn't know.
That's what he was doing. I got you. Yeah.
Yep. Thank you
Okay.
so much. Okay.
Thank you.
Bye, everybody.
Person is going to be told to come back on the TCL. They're just getting here at 11 o'clock. But I am admitting an unnamed device, so please cover any sensitive eyes and ears. Make sure no children are within eyesight or earshot.
All right. I think I'm off then.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. On the TCL
See you next time,
device.
Ms. Horn. Bye,
Thank
Judge.
you.
Bye,
Bye.
all. Oh, I need some info. I need to give your clerk some info.
On the TCL, please unmute, give me a name, or I will remove you from the session. Court is over.
I'm sorry,
What's
Your
your
Honor. I have physical therapy.
What's your name?
Robert Tompkins.
Okay, we're going to have to bring you back on a day that you don't have physical therapy, Mr. Tompkins. So when do you want to come back? Do you want to come back tomorrow? Do you want to come back? How many days a week do you have physical therapy?
I can come back tomorrow, Your Honor.
8:30?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 8:30 in the morning. The name is Tompkins, Madam Clerk. You got it? Yeah. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow morning, 8:30. Have a good day.
You too.
Okay, Attorney Walling.
Madam Clerk, are you ready for me?
Just a second.
Okay.